Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this Bolt battery bike. The box contains the following components: main body, handle, wheels, wheel caps, front horn, footrest, mud gourd, side indicators, axle rod, front wheel bush. First, take the axle rod and remove the quarter pin from it and insert a wheel through it as shown. Now, insert the axle rod with the wheel into the main body as shown in the video. Insert the wheel on the other end of the axle, and then insert the quarter pin which was removed and twist it to tighten it. Now, push the wheel cap in the back wheels as shown to fit them on both sides. Take the front handle and remove the front axle from it as shown in the video. Now, insert the mud gourd in the handle as shown. Insert the axle in the front handle, but not all the way through as demonstrated in the video. Now insert the front wheel in the slot, and then let the front axle in through the slots and wheel completely. Make sure to tighten the nut on the end to fit the wheel properly. Now, align the front handle you just assembled with the main body and make sure the slots match. Then, insert the pin through the slot and tighten the nut to fix it. Now open all 4 screws as shown in this videos and place the footrest as shown in the video. Now tighten the screws to fix the footrest in its position. Take the connect in the body and connect with the footrest to complete the circuit. Now, insert the front wheel bush into the axle as shown. Take the front horn of the bike and open the cell slot to insert 2 AA batteries in it. Push the front face down as shown to fit the horn in its slot. Take the side indicators and screw them up as shown. The charger in the box can be connected in the slot to charge it when it needs to be charged.